Once upon a time, there was a giant rainbow, and there was a gem under it. And then the rainbow, it grew small. But then one day, there was a giant shoe that grew so small. And then one day, there were scissors that was cutting the shoe. Then the scissors grew so small that no one could even find them. Then the scissors grew so big, they were so mad, they grew so small. Then, once upon a time, there was a jet who was taking a kitty along with him. And then he saw the rainbow. And the gem, it went right above it. He picked up the gem in the rainbow and flew high away. At the end, we're going to end this with a special song. A goes A, B goes B, C goes K, D goes D, E goes A, F goes F, G goes G, H goes H, I goes I, J goes J, K goes K, L goes O, M goes N goes N, O goes A, P goes P, Q goes Qu, R goes S goes T goes U go up.